Hi Shuni, it's Dinesh here. So I'm just taking the video of your flat. So now we are entering into your flat. So this is 1305. And this is your hall, and where they have given a provision for TV unit. And here you can see Kukatpalli, Metro, Mosapet, this all area from here. Where here you can place a sofa set, and this place for exclusively for TV. Next, this is the dining area, and this place I thought we can have a crockery unit here, and this is a place for dining. And now we are entering into kitchen. It is see, now you have got a L-type kitchen. And see there, here in the top of the tiles, and next to this window in the top of the tiles we'll have a wall units. And if you prefer, you can you can have a storage unit here. It is next to kitchen, and this is your utility area. This is your complete utility area, and see here we can plan a storage unit if required. That again depends on the budget, but now we'll make a kitchen underneath this. And now we are entering into the master bedroom. So there are some typical problems in bedrooms. The way how they are how they have designed it, I don't understand. But unfortunately, as per Hindu, this one. We need to have the wardrobe to be next to this place, next to the window and the window wall, because it is Nairuti what we say. And but here we have a very less place, and even this side also we have a very less space. So, and that too, they have given a provision for cot, and these, see, between these two plug points we need to have a cot. So now we have, and the only option is we need to put wardrobes till the switch point, where you can see the right side at the extreme end, you can see a switch point. So there we need to put till there we need to put a wardrobe for a master bedroom. And this is your bathrooms. I hope you have not yet handed out, so they haven't cleaned anything, and it is not so cleaning, but hope they will do it soon. And now we are entering into your child bedroom, and this is more worse than the master bedroom for putting up a wardrobe, because as they are given 2 points for cot into this wall, but generally this wall need to be covered with wardrobe as per Vastu or everything. And the beauty of this bedroom is you have got a very good window, very beautiful L-shaped window, which it gives a very good elegant lighting and look to this. So now I plan to put the wardrobe. See, just a minute. So you can see this door has stopped here. So from the door to the left side you can see a pillar. So till there, in between I will give a wardrobe which is 6 feet wide. And next the pillar is there where I leave it, because as it is Isanyam, northeast, we need to put it open. So that place I am leaving, and I am giving in between this. And this side you can, the tenant can have, or you can have a cot at this place. So this is your child bedroom, bathroom. So this is the whole thing, and now this is your balcony. From here you got a massive view. Left side Lodha Builders, and that is Malaysian Township, and this is KPHB Colony, and this is Kukatpalli, and this is a metro side Musapet, and you got a wonderful building this side. And this is your balcony, and this is the roadway which is constructing right now. This goes towards Kukatpalli Railway High-Tech City Railway Station. And this is the entrance of your main gate of your building. And this is a little bit of lawn. Yes, this is the one. Okay. See, now I said you where I planned all my all of your furniture, where it will be situated, and I'll send the plan to you along with this video. So, and there will be a change in the pricing, because this design and earlier design was entirely different. So let us check and do the possibilities. Okay, take care. Thank you. Bye.